Hey, we out doing DoorDash again today, and once again, let's see what we can make. It is 8:30 in the morning. My first delivery is a food pickup from Walmart. I'm going to pick up that food and deliver it to the customer's house. Folks, I have that customer's grocery order, and I'm on my way to their home to drop their groceries off.
In a quarter mile, turn.
I dropped that order off. It was $7.67, and I have another Walmart grocery order for $7.71. So I'm going to get that now.
Try to save the breads for last so we have to worry about them getting smashed. Did you do any deliveries last night?
Yesterday afternoon, but not last night.
Oh, they were paying like $6.
Yeah,
like
I seen that. Yeah, I was out 5.5 hours, so.
I had one up there at GE where they do the aviation.
Oh, did you?
There.
Oh, so you do it too?
Yeah, I do it all. I've been doing it for a couple of years.
Oh, really?
Since 2016.
Oh, wow. Okay. How do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah. I mean, they've changed a little bit since they first started here, but.
Yeah, it's not bad. I'm retired, so it's like a part-time job for me. I've been doing it for about 6 months.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
I like it because you're kind of on your own time.
Oh yeah, you're your own boss.
Yep.
I had a crazy one yesterday. I had a McDonald's order that I delivered to this house, and the lady said, "I didn't order any food."
I've had that happen.
I'm like, "Is this the right?" I verified the address. It was the right address.
Yeah.
So I dropped that grocery order off to the customer, and they gave me a $5 tip. I love that when that happens. I have another job now for $7.16 to Taco Bell. We're gonna go pick that up. See you later. If you look, this is the kind of neighborhoods I'm delivering in right now. Probably homes for the greater Cincinnati area. You're probably looking at $350,000 to $400,000 homes. And that's pretty good for this area.
Turn left.
All right, folks, I just had a Bob Evans order. I picked it up, and I'm leaving the customer's home right now. So I just delivered it, and I'll be waiting on my next order. And as soon as I talk, I have another order for $7.56 to Firehouse Sub. And we're going to go pick that up. All right, Firehouse Sub. Let's go and deliver it to the customer. One thing I hate about apartment complexes, they never number up properly that you can easily find an apartment. So these are some nice apartments, but the apartment I needed is on the back side of this building. I mean, who would know this? This is the parking lot that I'm in. And to look for this apartment, even to find this building was difficult. So that is the problems with apartment complexes and condos. I have an order for Starbucks, $5.79, plus a $2 bonus they're offering right now. We'll accept it, and we'll continue to drive. All right, I got an order for Buffalo Wild Wings, $5.61, plus the $2 bonus. And if you can't tell, it's raining right now. So I hate the rain as far as when you're delivering. All right, we'll take this order and go from there. All right, I'm going to end my day. I made $56.69. So a pretty good day for 4.5 hours of work. Not bad again. So I appreciate you guys going along for the ride again. Cincinnati Clad King, have a great day.